Sure, Sir Isaac Newton unraveled the mysteries of gravity. But could he have unraveled the mysteries of Rubik's Cube? 3 weeks ago, Judge Smith retired to her chambers with Exhibit A, Rubik's Cube. She hasn't been seen since. Warning, once you get your hands on Rubik's Cube, you may never be able to put it down. Rubik's Cube, over 3 billion combinations, but just one solution from Ideal.
There's never been a puzzle quite like Rubik's Cube, and America may never be the same. A medical journal has written about a unique phenomenon, Rubik's thumb. A museum recognized it as a work of art. Rubik's Cube has been involved in divorce proceedings. People are practicing at clinics, entering contests, and competing across the country. Rubik's Cube from Ideal. 25 million Americans have made it a part of their lives. How about you? There's never been a puzzle quite like Rubik's Cube, and America may never be the same. A medical journal has written about a unique phenomenon, Rubik's thumb. A museum recognized it as a work of art. Rubik's Cube has been involved in divorce proceedings. People are practicing at clinics, entering contests, and competing across the country. Rubik's Cube from Ideal. 25 million Americans have made it a part of their lives. How about you?
Eastern Europe, the studio of a famous puzzle inventor.
So they want a puzzle that's harder than the original Rubik's Cube. Well, here's one they'll call Rubik's Revenge. This revenge is a masterpiece. Just being able to solve one side will be a real challenge. 2 sides are almost impossible. And all 6 will be the ultimate revenge.
Rubik's Revenge, sent to you with love from Ideal.
Bob and Jane are a wonderful couple. They do everything together, but it wasn't always that way. Bob had an obsession with Rubik's Cube, and Jane hardly saw him. Then, Jane got Rubik's Game. It's the original Rubik's Cube plus a new twist, a challenging 2-player strategy game. Rubik's Game, it's as simple as connecting 3 in a row, but really challenging because the 6-sided board is always changing. Rubik's Game, it's a puzzle, it's a game, and it's from Ideal.
Too bad you can't do Rubik's Cube, Dad. I can.
Okay, big shot. Let's see how good you are at Rubik's Race.
It's Rubik's Race, where you race against your opponent to be the first to match the random color pattern in the scramble box. It's Rubik's Race. It's fast, crazy, speedy. It's Rubik's Race. It's swift, frantic, wild. It's Rubik's Race. Even a dad can win.
Sorry, Dad.
Sometimes. Rubik's Race from Ideal, the makers of Rubik's Cube.
Sir?
Yeah?
Please don't pick up Alexander's Star.
Why?
Why? Because Alexander's Star is a puzzle that'll drive you wacky, bomby, daffy, dotty, diffy, goofy, batty. Why? Because Alexander's Star will make you go bonkers, crackers, even mad as a hatter. Why? Because once you pick up Alexander's Star, you won't be able to put it down. Alexander's Star from Ideal. Now, doesn't that look easy? Please don't pick up Alexander's Star.
Pick up a Rubik's Cube. And you can't put it down. Rubik's Cube.
Got it!
Ready for Rubik's magic? The addictive puzzle you can play all day. Solve the rings, then link them to solve the other side. Rubik's Magic.
Got it!
From the makers of Rubik's Cube.
I've been known to do it in under a minute.
45 seconds. And that's on a bad day.
I hate to brag, but it takes me 30 seconds.
My boyfriend can do it in 25. Says it's all in the wrist.
20 seconds. Tops. Don't ask me. I can't do it at all. What? It's impossible.
I'm at the mall with the new Rubik slide, the electronic puzzle game people can't put down. The pattern lights up and you gotta match it by sliding, twisting, and turning.
Give her the game already.
It's got over 10,000 puzzles. That looks like a tough one. Solved 30 in a row.
It's more fun than bingo.
Rubik's slide. Once you play it, you can't put it down.
I did it!
You did!
How quick can you, Rubik? And they're off! It's the all-new Rubik's Race. Two players race to match the 9 tiles in the Rubik Shaker. It's a game of real concentration, real skill, and real speed. He's nearly there, but no! She's won! Rubik's Race. How quick can you, Rubik?
From the makers of Rubik's Cube, it's the all-new Rubik's Race. It's a rapid-fire race to match the tiles before your friend. Then be the first to slam it down and win. The all-new Rubik's Race from Hasbro Gaming. Rubik's Race!
The Void has arrived. Rubik's Void, a whole new Rubik's challenge from Ideal.
From the makers of the Rubik's Cube comes Rubik's Spark with 6 games designed to challenge and entertain. Grab it and start the fun with patented gyroscopic bubble technology and built-in sensors that allow the spark to know where the light is as you twist and turn the cube. Challenge your friends to conquer the Rubik's Spark with 6 uniquely addictive games like Light the Cube, where you copy Spark's every move. Seek and Destroy, where you guide your light to capture and destroy. Follow the path. Use the bubble to copy the sequence. Once you finish, you level up. Tilt and Zap, a speed game to test your reflexes. Snack and Snake, where you feed the snake light and watch it grow. Or drop into DJ mode to rock the house. With Rubik's Spark 6 games in one, you get hours of fun. So tilt it, turn it. The Rubik's Spark, a futuristic and fun way to test your memory, speed, dexterity, and logic. You can get Rubik's Spark with 6 different games, bubble control technology, music maker, display, and batteries. You can find out more at rubikspark.ca. Must be 18 or older to log on. Rubik's Spark. Follow the light.
The new Rubik's Impossible really impossible? Or does it just have you seeing double? Color-changing tiles will keep you guessing. We even asked some of the world's best cubers. It's not easy. Some might say it's impossible. The new Rubik's Impossible. Adventure every turn.
The Rubik's Connected Cube. A new interactive way to solve. Are you still struggling to complete that Rubik's Cube? All you need is a virtual tutor. Get faster and impress your friends. Who will you challenge? Compete and watch your name climb the global leaderboard. Need some downtime? Relax and have fun with different games to choose from. Power your solve. Connected Cube from Rubik's.
The ultimate puzzle meets the ultimate maze. Rubik's Perplexus Hybrid. Do you have what it takes to finish the perplexing maze of 100 obstacles and solve the cube? Rubik's Perplexus Hybrid, new from Spin Master Games. Each sold separately.